Woo-wee! Camping 2018, ladies and gentlemen. Alright guys, so we are headed to Bulltown Campground in West Virginia, Mountain Highway. Now we're actually meeting my father at this campground. Bulltown Campground is in Burnsville, West Virginia, I believe. And it's actually halfway between Frankfort, Kentucky, where they live, and State College, Pennsylvania, where we live. So it's about a 4-hour drive for us. We'll get there about 9:30. It's gonna be dark, it's gonna be rainy. About to drive through Cumberland, Maryland. This little town's awesome. We'd love to come here for like a 1-weekend trip or something. We've never done it though. That was a lot of, oh my goodness! We're just cranking out bangers here. This tool in the shed. Yeah, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to West Virginia. And the fun has already started. We're getting a lot of rain. It's a lot heavier in person than it is on the camera. Woohoo! We have arrived at the campground. As you can see, it is now nighttime. This is the Bulltown Campground. All right, Holly's putting the tent together, but you can't see her because it's dark. Father's over there, he's tired. So we started to put the tent together. My dad was there, as you heard. And we realized we didn't have our sticks, so we're gonna have to drive 20 miles into a city called Flatwoods and hope that they have sticks or we are screwed. All right, we are at the Walmart now. Tent has been acquired. Just a cheap tent with only 35 smackers. All right, we are back at the campground now. My dad is in his tag, his fancy little trailer, which I'll show you tomorrow. I don't know what he's doing. How is it going?
Did you find some poles?
We had to buy a new tent. It was only $30. It is now Saturday morning. Our tent's here. Jeep Renegade there. My dad's Wrangler there. And then his tag right here. This is, of course, Bulltown Campground in central West Virginia. It's an exact halfway point between him and us. And it's a nice campground. Got this mountainside. There's actually a lake right there. My dad's really excited to show you his tag, which is this fancy little trailer, so we'll do that. We did manage to get the tent set up. Sorry, last night was cut off very briefly, but we are good to go. Holly is making us breakfast, a bacon scrambler.
This is my tag. I'm a tag enthusiast. Kind of cluttered in there, but
yeah, so this is it. This is like a bedroom. It's obviously kind of dirty, but he slept in it last night. It's got a TV inside, an air conditioner, a sound system, some storage. He's got some nice reading lights. That's pretty bright.
And here's got these lights.
And you have outdoor lights. It's a whole rig.
A whole rig. I spent my retirement on this.
But on the back side, of course, the coolest part, there's a full-service kitchen, complete with your favorite liquor, provided by my dad. Dad, you're wearing an Eddie Bauer shirt. We look like heathens. You're out here dressed in top-notch apparel.
Well, I am a member of the Moore family. It's kind of like Queen Elizabeth. We have the Queen, the Queen's mother.
Dad even has a fridge. Look at how nice this is. So he's got a sink, he's got a burner, he's got a fridge. Dad, somebody at work yesterday, I was telling them we are going camping together, and you know what they said to me? Is that the one that's retired? Literally, somebody said that. Hey Holly, you want to hear a joke? Chicken butt. Chicken butt.
So what's the joke?
All right, we are now at the Bulltown Battleground. My dad said this, he came up here this morning. This is a Civil War era battlefield. And it has started raining again. Go figure. Cannot. We always choose to go camping when it rains. Why?
Like, it couldn't wait to start raining until after we walked around this 15-minute loop.
We have taken shade underneath this tree right next to a mass burial. Just like that, the rain's over. It's been raining off and on like that. It's been really annoying. Anytime we go camping, it rains.
Hello, fans.
When I was a kid, we would go on a Sunday drive. Every Sunday morning, we would go to McDonald's, and then we would go on a long Sunday drive, like 3 hours. So that's what we're doing now. We're going on a classic drive. We've been driving for about an hour. All right, guys, we are back at the campsite now. Dad is obviously taking a nap, and it will not stop raining. Rain, rain, go away. Check out our tent site. Oy vey. We obviously chose a very bad location. But you know what? It happens. Well, as you could probably guess, it's raining. Still, we didn't stick around the campsite. We are at this Bulltown historic area at our campground. There's a bunch of little old historic buildings that Holly wants to check out. Guys, we have a real relic here. Something you've probably not seen in years. A payphone. The question is, does it work? Yes, it does. Hey, that's kind of cool. So this is the Cunningham House, which was here during the battle. Now this right here may just look like some random road tracks going into the abyss, but believe me, this is a turnpike built in the early 1800s. It is no longer in use. Well, this part isn't, at least. However, the guy at the visitor center said that part of US 19 here in West Virginia is a part of this turnpike. Very interesting. We're trying to find the beach here. This campground apparently has a beach, and that's what we're on the move for. Girl, let's put some miles on it, just to put a smile on it. Deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. All right, we have found the beach. And check it out, it's pretty decent size for a little park. Now if I had my, oh boy. Now if I had my swimming trunks on me, I would get in. I have them in the, oh, it's warm. Nice, and it feels great. Actually, this would probably be perfect. All right, all right, all right. It is now 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Daylight Time. This rain has quit. As you can see, the sun is out. It's absolutely amazing. A miracle has been bestowed upon us. We've got a raging fire well underway. Hopefully in the very near future, it will actually be raging. Jesse, how's it been?
Oh, great.
This is an exciting Saturday night for him. Normally at this time, he'd be at home in his whitey tighties, munching down on some Raisin Bran.
Now I wear the same kind you wear, those silk thongs. You want to see them?
So we've been going at this now for a solid hour.
I'm having to teach Lincoln how to build a fire.
No, you're not. You're doing just as bad of a job as I am.
Look at that fire going that I did.
Holly, can you provide us with an update on this fire?
Oh my gosh, this has just been like awful.
So we've been going hard at this now for a solid 2 hours. And as you can see, we have made progress, but we don't know, we don't know if it's actual fire, or if it's just fire starters, and if it's gonna stick. The wood is wet, hopefully. Hopefully we figured out we're supposed to have steak, potatoes, and corn. A staple of a camping trip. Am I right, fam? What do you usually eat when you're camping? We almost always have the same thing. Well, the sun has gone down, and this is where we're at. Dad has left. Yeah, we think he's going to McDonald's. He said he was going to call my stepmother, but I think he's going to McDonald's. We'll see. All right, so fire is going. These are charcoal briquettes right here that are way on fire. Here's the fire. We've decided that we're gonna cook the steaks on Dad's stove, but Holly's making a dessert with a Dutch oven, so we'll have to have the charcoal briquettes for that. And then the fire we'll just use as a campfire. Still no sign of Dad at this point. How is McDonald's?
I didn't go to McDonald's.
Well, look, we got a fire going.
All right.
Well, he claims he didn't go eat anywhere, and the fire is raging. Guess what, Holly? We successfully did it. And we are gonna have to cook the steak on this, but as you can see, Dad's got it nice and lit up with this light. Very nice trailer he's got here. If I was gonna have some sort of camping trailer, this would be perfect. All right, it's not the greatest shot and it's way out of focus, but as you can see, dinner is done. Steak, potatoes, corn, and of course bread. Looks great.
Mm-hmm.
How is it, Pops?
Good.
Excellent. It is now Sunday. We camped from Friday night through Sunday, and as you can see, we've packed up everything. It's time to go home. Dad's gonna go back to Kentucky, or we're going back to Pennsylvania. And well, that pretty much wraps this one up. Did you have fun, Holly?
Yeah.
Did you have fun, Jesse?
Yep.
All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.